bestie Ida. All right.
Yes, let's give them a round of applause. Hello, Kuya Ruel, and hello, Aida. May mic tayo dito, you may use. Yan, batiin natin ang ating audience. Hello, sir. Magandang tanghali.
Hello.
Hello po, and Aida. Awesome.
Okay, so may mga wali tayong tatanungan para sa kanila. First, to better get to know them. Am I right? So, Sir Andrew, how was it like playing Kuya Ruel? Kumusta po yung process, getting to know some of these actors na maaaring unang beses niyo pong makakatrabaho? And for Yumi, marami nagtatanong kumusta naman yung first meeting niyo with Hyacinth and how you two are getting along.
Well, first, I only had 2 tapings or shootings and parehong one sequence lang. Although, sa set, talagang sinasabi nila, inaabangan na daw kung sino si Kuya Ruel. In fact, tinigtok ko, meron mga 300,000 views kung hinuhulaan kung sino si Kuya Ruel. Kaya sabi ko, maraming nag-aabang dito sa role na to. Bigla akong kinabahan kasi baka sana siyempre yung expectations nila sana magampanan ko kung sino man si Kuya Ruel. Pero asahan nyo, pagbubutihan ko po. Thank you.
Thank you so much. And Aida? Pwede po pa ulit question.
Sure, no worries. So, for a second time, what was your first meeting like with Hyacinth and how are the two of you getting warmed up to each other?
Okay, yung first kita po namin ni Haya, nag-connect po kami agad. Parang ang tagal na namin magkakilala. Kasi sa workshop po yun parang ang dami namin similarities, ang dami namin parehas ng gusto. Kunyari, gusto namin ng food, like we love food. And, ayun, we love shopping din. So parang medyo din sa character.
Bilis nila nagkasundo,
Yeah.
kindred spirits. Oo.
Totoo po.
Okay, maraming salamat, Ida, and of course, Sir Andrew Iliana. Ngayon naman, kasama rin natin ngayon ang architect and prosecutor power couple, known as Shakiera. Luciana and Seaside Archer, bubuhayin na ang kilig sa ating sistema, playing the roles of our sweet but brave Kiara and Ellie's protective brother Sean. Let us welcome Nicole Omilio and Jairus Aquino. Nicole and Jairus, I think you're there. Tari naman ang Shakiera. So you move like Shakira din. Sumayaw.
Wow.
Hello. Okay. So Shakiera, kwentuhan ninyo kami ano ang dapat abangan sa inyo, and of course, nasa 3rd installment na tayo ng libro. So nervous ba kayo na sa inyo na yung susunod, or how do you feel?
Grabe, I'm just very excited for Gab and Hyatt. Excited na ba kayo makita yung dalawa? Yes, ako naman. And mas excited din ako kasi lalabas na often, of course, si Shine. So, mas makikilala din natin lahat.
Yeah, nakabahan ako. No, pero sobrang excited ako syempre for Gavin Haya. Ilang beses namin pinag-uusapan ni Gab to palagi, pero syempre sabi ko kaya na yan, and sabi ko make me proud. Won't make me proud, tatay. Pero yun, happy ako for them and very excited na ipakita sa inyo kung ano yung pinaghirapan namin at pinaghihirapan namin as of the moment for Chasing in the Wild. Kasi marami pa kaming handa para sa inyo, di ba?
Yes, sigurado kami dyan. Pero may bagong anggulo pa kaming makikita sa inyong dalawa. Nag-mature ba kayo o immature pa rin? Joke lang.
Abangan nyo na lang. Abangan nyo na lang kung paano rin kami dadalhin direct talk dito sa ating Chasing in the Wild. Di ba?
Alright, great stuff. Thank you, Nicole and
Thank you.
Jairus. Also, ang Chasing the Wild is 17 episodes pala. Okay, thank you. Alright.
Don't forget, napaviralin at patrendingin kami wherever social media exists. Okay, so do us the benefit of sharing it para sa mga wala dito in person, mapanood din nila. Am I right, ladies and gents? Next up, ay ang expensive socialera girly ng Univercala and the nation's favorite, Tita Ninang. We get to meet her in the flesh. Eto na. We get to meet her in person now. Please, everybody, welcome Aubrey Garaan. Miss Aubrey Garaan.
Alright, we have our mic here for you.
Hello everyone.
Yes, go. Stand anywhere you like. Go.
Hi, good afternoon. And thank you po sa pagpunta dito.
What can we expect from your character dito sa pangatlong installment ng University Series? I'm sure a lot of us want to know and can't wait.
I think look forward nila dito sa si Sam, sa Sitaw Ira, yung pagiging owner niya ng club. And of course, yung pagiging supportive niya pa rin kay Laselli and kay Elise.
Na-miss ka namin. So we're glad she is back.
Thank you, everyone.
Okay, thank you so much, Aubrey.
Thank you, Aubrey.
Okay, next to join us ay ang ating napakagandang flight attendant na sinamahan tayo sa masaganang paglipad with her Captain Juarez kung saan pinatunayan nilang love is in the air, playing the role of our fierce Yana from the very successful sequel series Safe Skies Archer. Let us all welcome Krisha Viajes. Hello, Krisha. You look so stunning. Dito tayo sa middle. Of course, bigyan ng solo dance. Of course, Jerome Ponce. Jerome sends his apologies. Obviously, he'd love to be here. But hindi, next time, sasamahan niya tayo ulit. But for now, we have Krisha. So, Krisha, as usual, ano dapat ang abangan ng Krish Rome fans dito sa Chasing in the Wild?
Masaganang pension. Masagana? Yun.
I like that. Masaganang buhay, masaganang petchay. Baliktad. Petchay mo. Okay. So how have you been since the success of Safe Skies Archer?
So happy. Sobrang saya na marami ako nakikilala na mga nag-support sa amin and also mga bagong opportunities na dumarating sa amin. So, and nagdagan na naman kami. So, mas malaki na yung cast, mas masaya na sa set, and mas maraming kulit, ganon. So, yun, excited ako for Chasing in the Wild.
Yes, excited na rin kami and you all deserve it. Thank you so much. Krisha, of course, makausap natin siya in just a little bit.
Right?
Okay.
Thank you for that.
Yeah, gagamitin ko yun. Masaganang petchay. Masaganang. Okay.
Diba, Katsi?
Let's
Pwedeng moto. And of course, for our next actor, we've seen her in The Rain in España and Safe Skies Archer, the first two installments in the University Series. Everybody, give a big hand to Bea Binele!
Hello po, good afternoon po sa inyong lahat. Maraming salamat po sa oras nyo. I know that this week has been a very challenging one for the whole country and a very rainy one for the whole country. So maraming salamat po and I hope you're all safe. Maraming salamat po sa oras nyo. Ayan, Chasing in the Wild, malapit na po, only on Viva One.
Thank you for that, Bea.
Thank you, Bea. Yan, pwede ka nang maupo sa iyong upuan. Okay. Sino ba naman ang makakalimot sa ating next couple? Grabe ba naman ang pagpapaulan nga ng kilig? Parang halos lahat ay hindi makaahon. Best known as Lucal from The Rain in España. Sasamahan ulit tayo ngayon ni Architect Valeria and Attorney Martinez. A round of applause for Heaven Peralejo as Luna and Marco Gallo.
Thanks.
Yan. So, kwentuhan nyo kami kung ano ang i-expect natin at anong ine-expect nyo sa love story ng Chasing in the Wild. Nina Haida.
Feeling ko gusto ko magkatuluyan sila.
At saka syempre, kasi di ba yung character ni Gab, si Sevi, di ba na heartbroken sa'yo, Kevin?
Yes.
Oo. So, paano siya dito sa Chasing in the Wild?
Ibang Gab yung makikita nyo dito eh. Ibang Semi at ibang Haya. Alam ko na binibigay nila lagi yung 100% nila. And sobrang excited sila for this project. Yun ang alam ko. At alam kong gagalingan nila. So, excited to watch.
Alright, and also invite everybody to watch Chasing in the Wild when it comes out.
Everyone, okay, I'm gonna be honest. When is the release of Chasing in the Wild? When is it? Tama, kasi alam ko naman yun. Chine-check ko lang kung alam ko. So, August 16, lalabas na ang Chasing in the Wild. Feeling ko pwede naman sabihin nasa around 30 shooting days. So, ibig sabihin sobrang pinaghirapan nila. So, please, supportahan nyo ang Chasing in the Wild ngayong very good.
Palakpakan natin si Marco and Heaven. Thank you so much.
Alright, that was Marco and Heaven. Pero eto, may panibago tayong addition. There's someone new to the Univercada for today. Alam niyo ba yun? Heaven! Okay, gising pa. Recently joining the gang. He will play a well-known musician at artista. Ito guys, madalas best friend ni Via, madalas best friend ni Sevi. Uy, pinag-aagawan at friendly pa. We have our golden boy, Arkin. He will be played by our newest Univercada, Mr. Wilbert Ross.
Ay, ang pogi naman nun. Hello.
Mr. Wilbert Ross. Right this way po. Wilbert, kinakabahan ka na ba sa debut mo bilang si Arkin?
Actually, nag-start na kami mag-shoot. Okay naman yung chemistry namin ni... Look, tinatawa nila ako. Pero okay naman yung chemistry namin ni Gab sa ginagawa kasi magkaibigan na kami. So, medyo magaan lang. So far, ano lang.
Okay.
So, Wilbert,
Alright.
may special performance. Sasayaw ka ba? Ano
Kakanta ako.
Kakanta.
Kakanta yung bagong singer. Makaluma.
Oh, sige. Excited na ba kayo pakinggan sila?
Yeah. Thank you so much.
At dahil dyan! Sige, upo ka muna, Wilbert. Mamaya. Para meron kayo inaabangan. Thank you.
Saka pakiramdam ko naman wala talagang cause for anxiety. Hindi siya kakabahan kasi yung fans, nako, sabik na at gusto na rin siya makita on screen when it hits on August 16. See you guys then.
Yes, and of course, the chase will not begin without these two. They will be the main stars of the third installment of the University Series. The basketball team captain and the cheerleader are here to win our hearts and each other's. Playing as Sevi Camero and Elise Ledesma. Let's all give a round of applause for Hyacinth Caliado and Gab Lagman. Oh my God.
Hello everyone. Magandang hapon po sa inyo lahat. Maraming salamat po sa bigay ng time niyo po para sa amin.
It really means a lot that there are so many people here coming to support us and looking forward to be here today at the show. Thank you all. Maraming salamat.
Yes, and of course, they will give us a special number. Tama ba? Okay. Mamaya na lang. Abangan niyo yan. Thank you so much.
Oo. Ang
Okay.
presensya nila talagang na-appreciate natin dito. Kaya nga dahil nagtitipon, they are the reason. So, another round of applause for them. Sige guys, let's get it!
Sige. So, tanungin natin sila. Ayan, upo, stay seated na lang guys para komportable. So, kamusta ang preparations niyo? Kasi we saw snippets of the BTS and also the workshop. So, how was it preparing for your characters and for the series in general?
Yeah, it's been good. We've done a lot of workshop for the past few months and we've been waiting for this for a long time and sobrang na-enjoy namin yung ginawa namin, relationship works, and we also did a music video together. So, yeah, we're just enjoying each other company.
It's been good. It's also been such a journey, having to really learn a lot, preparing for this show, and especially learning cheerleading. Because I've never done it before. I didn't do a lot of sports then growing up, but it was really fun. It really helped me learn a lot about myself and all my capabilities. And it's been good also working with Gab, and we're like, you know, building. I don't want to say too much. You guys will ask questions later naman.
So you've never, hindi ka pa nag-cheerleading? Kasi they flipped you in the air.
Wow.
You somersaulted, diba?
First time.
Wow! Very athletic. Amazing.
She looks like a pro already.
Exactly.
Oh, you wouldn't be able to tell the first time niya. Talagang
Yeah.
pinagtuunan nila ng pansin at puspusan ang ginawa nilang ensayo para dyan. Yeah. Alright. So, narinig natin kanina yung full spirit chant ng Green Arrows. Hindi pa padaig ang Roaring Panthers. On the other hand, syempre, di ba? Handa na ba kayo para dyan? Okay, handa na ba kayo dumagundong? Handa na ba kayo yumanig for the Roaring Tigers chant? Alright. Without further ado, let's go! Play na natin yan.